Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to Brainplosion. In this video, we're going to be testing dry ice against slime. We're going to be putting a really hot steel ball on top of it, and then we're going to see how dry ice reacts whenever we put it in baby oil. But before getting started, please make sure to give this video a like. Subscribe if you haven't done that already. Do so, and enjoy the video. Alright, so here we got our dry ice. Again, as always, please be careful when handling dry ice. It can give you frostbite. Here we got our slime. Alright, now let's drop a chunk of dry ice on top of it. Oh, it's getting swallowed up by the slime. Oh, it's freezing the slime. It's a bit frozen. This little section right here, it's a little bit frozen. You see that? These little bits and pieces are frozen. It doesn't have dry ice in them, it's just frozen. Oh wait. Oh yeah, they're just frozen. The dry ice is still down there. It's making the slime a little bit stickier. You can see in there, it's made like a little cave cavity, however you want to call it. Of just frozen slime. God, that sounded so weird. It's still hot. Ooh, that is still hot. That is still hot. Alright, so for our last little thing, we're gonna check how dry ice reacts with baby oil. Yes, we used alcohol and water in the last video, but we're just gonna check out how it reacts in baby oil. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's no smoke, there's no fog, there's no anything coming off of it. Can you guys see that? Like around here, there's like a barrier type of thing. 100%, this is taking a lot longer to melt. Pretty cool. And I just spilled baby oil right there. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. As promised, I was going to give a shout out to everybody who commented what their favorite type of video was or their favorite video of mine, and these are the people that commented. Shout out goes to Parker Wilson, who says that his favorite videos are science product videos or digital microscope videos. Shout out goes to Jack the Pro, who said that he liked commentary videos or satisfying videos. Shout out goes to Vilma Dominguez, who says that her favorite video of mine was the shark matches. I feel like that's a really underrated video of mine, so if you haven't seen that already, go check that out. You know, shameless plug. And last but not least is That Sky Kid 9000, who said that his favorite video was the Orbeez under the microscope. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you want to shout out in next week's video, comment down below your favorite color. Yeah, that's good. Comment down below your favorite color and why, and then you guys will receive a shout out in my next video. All right guys, have a good one. Peace.